Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm backing up my channel. Sorry that I was late. But I'm back. It's okay. I have a good news today. That's what I'm gonna doing. Exercising enough. We're gonna do gymnastics. Not gymnastics. Just now do this. How to do gymnastics quiz. This is a quiz that you can even do. You can still do do this. And stop copying me. Ready? This is how. Okay, first is this one. If you wanna do this, you have to do this.
Make you some.
First is like this. If you are flexible, if you're not, you can hold this. In the next feet, stretch very fast. Do not give up.
Question.
You can do this.
Question. Patay.
Number 2
Lang.
is you're gonna do this. Do not just use feet one by one.
It's one by one. No,
And
one by
that's-
one.
And the second one, and this. You almost get your. Next is this one. I have a table here, so I'm gonna put in my feet here.
Langgol.
If you are flexible, do this. Not flexible, you can do this. Just stop.
Patay na siya. Yun na ako.
Stop!
Stop. You copy me. You copy me. Copy people.
Okay.
Shoot back. Shoot back. I was shoot back. Shoot back. Langgoy. Langgoy. Si Juana. Yeah.
Now you're flex.
Si Juana.
For number 5 is this. This is.
Asan yung bitabon mo 20?
Inuwa na akong 20. Inuwa akong 20.
Do this.
No. Inuwa akong 20.
After you finish,
Patay man akong 20. Inuwa naman akong 20. Katita akong 20, Juana.
None.
Wala na.
For number 6, is this one.
Dala-dala man yung muna. Ibili na natin ko sa
Oh.
Ibili na kay Balintani mo na labhan ang imong short na. Mabasa ang kwarta. Uy, ayaw na anaon ang impuranan kay mga.
I can do this.
Biffen! Dili ba to Biffen? Yung siya
For number 7. Number 7.
Shoot back! Ba na yung balay ng Joanna! Ano yung balay? Ipakyan na yung balay nila. Ikaw, ako winner.
Is this one?
Dagan na na.
Number 8.
Number 8.
Hindi kayo sa pagkain.
Iyo po ko din.
Ay, sago, madako manino, madako man ang 20. Tangaw, madako man ang 20. Tangaw, madako lang ang 20. Madako na! Ako na, Joanna!
For the next one.
Shoot back! Ayan lang, guys, shoot
Number 9.
Number 9.
Is this?
Iga na po mo, Joanna, ang workout. Nee! Ali! Tangaw!
Para imong report ha, para mga bad words. Ayaw na kayo kadungog siguro ka ana sa akuan.
Ako patakuan niyo yung workout, Joanna, ha? Ay, pang-unot na rin ako talaga. Ate. Wala na, night chaser.
Next is you have to do
Ali!
this.
Ay, pati na naman ako. Ay, taste it!
For number 10, it's gonna be like this. I will be right.
Ang langgoy.
Stop.
Langgoy!
Stop saying that.
That's saying that.
Okay, for number 10 now.
Keep the no
Now we're gonna do this one.
Palit na ko anong whistle. Unsakan man eh.
Is how about to do this?
Ako ng silpon.
Now, you're done exercising.
Exercising.
Now, let's try it. Let's see the results and let's try the results. Okay, if we can do that right
So,
now.
what this
Now, let's do it.
What this animal?
Hilom,
Let's go.
I'm not telling you. Stop!
Mama! Langgoy lala. Langgoy lala. Langgoy lala la. Langgoy lala la. Baka langgoy lala la. Wala ay.
Anong langgoy mo?
Di ba ka langgoy?
Now you're
Langgoy lala la. Langgoy lala.
Subscribe on my channel.
Doon na langgoy.
Please subscribe and
Langgoy.
push the button and make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.
Langgoy.